And Johnny back again, and looks like there is no leak. After I fix the problem, just gotta clear it off. Use a brush, put some Teflon tape on that nylon bolt right there, where it comes out to the connections. The thread comes right off, goes right in there into the tube. Back out into the pump that's behind here. Everything looks all good. Furnace is on, furnace is running 100%. I'm telling you guys, save thousands of money. These HVAC, it ain't cheap, you know, especially these pumps. You know, the pump does its job by pumping all the water back out into where the drain at. It's over here. So, other than that, thank you. You guys have a great day, and subscribe and like.